How to turn on raise wrist to wake your Galaxy Watch 8 and also the touch screen to wake the screen. This is the Galaxy Watch 8, of course, and with One UI 8.0. To find and make sure this feature is enabled, go ahead and use the quick access like this here. Tap on the settings toggle right there, this one here. Now, once you're in this section here, you are going to go down the list and you are looking for display, this here. And as you enter into display, you're simply just going to go down until you see the screen wake up area, and you'll see raise wrist to wake and touch screen to wake. Some of us may not like this feature as it does use a bit more battery life because you might be forcing your watch to enable the screen when you don't want it to. So if you don't like that, go ahead and turn it off. But if you need this here, you want that every time you pick up your hand or raise your wrist, shall I say, it will wake the display. And I'll just wait for this timeout here to show you how this works. In the screen timeout with your watch on your wrist, you'll simply just kind of bring it forward towards you like this here, and it should wake up the screen like this here. The next one would be touching your off screen to wake. So you'll simply just tap it one time and that's going to wake your screen like I said.